Alright, so you guys requested a tutorial, and I'm gonna make one. But just consider that each individual noise I'm about to teach you, well, I'm not going to teach you every single noise, I'm going to teach you the basics, and I'm going to show you every single noise I can make, name them, and if you want one, like, taught to you, then I'll just make a tutorial on that specific sound, because some of these noises take a while to explain, and the beginning basic noises are just easier and faster to explain. I don't think I have a lot of time on my hands to upload this video, because Facebook doesn't upload videos past 10 minutes or some shit. But yeah, so what I was saying is consider that a lot of these noises take a lot of practice. I practice 3 to 4 hours a day because I have no life. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through the noises and then you can, alright, whatever. That's a zipper. That's a helicopter click roll, which is like a uvula oscillation on top of the zipper noise, plus that. So yeah, and yeah, my next noise. That's a lip roll, outwards and inwards. This is outwards, inwards, and together it sounds like. And you can do it vocalized inwards, so it sounds like. And you can add it falsetto on top of that, and which is kind of hard because it's you have to learn how to go, and on top of that I'm going. Yeah. So next noise is the siren. That was inward siren. You can do them outwards or inwards. So yeah, that one takes a while to learn. I suck at that noise. Believe it or not, if that one amazes you, then you need to check out people on YouTube because they're way better than me. But anyways, I'm just gonna start teaching the snares right now. There's a bunch of snares. There's a PF snare. There's the PEH snare, P-E-H. There's inward snare. That's one I practice the most. That's a bongo type thing, which is you stop it short, you stop the K, inward K, short, so it's instead of, and then you add an 808 snare on top of it, which is, I think most people can do that anyways, but yeah, so you add that on top of the snare, so it goes. I'm not really that good at it, but yeah. Next snare is 606 snare, also known as a rim shot, which is like the edge of the drum, which sounds like. 909 snare is the 808 snare plus shh, shh, like you're saying shh, which is plus that shh, so it goes isht, 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 isht. Yeah, that noise was a wub wub, W-O-B, It's created by one of my favorite beatboxers, Reaps One. So that's just basic lip oscillation, which is like almost like the outward lip roll. But yeah, you can like mess around with it, going higher or lower, like. There's also the cough snare, which is literally like it sounds like you. Takes a lot of practice. I haven't mastered it, but it sounds pretty cool. Yeah. There's the throat bass, which most people usually like when I do. It's like when I was in the talent show, everyone was like, "Oh yeah," and it goes like this. And if you're wondering what that noise was, it's not really more of a noise. It's like technique kind of. It's that like when you do the inward snare, you have to practice that a lot, and it's like you put your tongue in the same position as if you would the inward snare, and you breathe in like. Oh, low battery. Fuck you. Yeah. Got the click. Most people can make the click noise like. I'm from Africa. But you can also do a click roll, which sounds like. People say it sounds like the Predator. Yeah, I think it does anyways. Trying to think of any other snares or some noises. No, I really can't think of anything. Oh yeah, there's I don't know what you call it, but it goes something like this. Yeah, that was all one noise. But yeah, I think I should start teaching you how to do the noises. So the PF snare, I'm just gonna teach you the basics like I said. So the PF snare, you just say it's called a plosive. What the noises are called, like it stops abruptly, and when you get that derivative of that word would be explosive, like, but you stop it. So it would be saying B. Everyone can say B. Come on now, you can say B. B, 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 and that's your kick drum. And then you add F onto it, so. Forgot to say that one. That's a PSH snare. And there's also just the PS snare. Those are just like saying P with an S added, so. Or PSH. The hi-hat, most people do it like this. I found a different way to do it. Well, I didn't find it. I looked it up on YouTube because I'm a beast. But it goes like, and when you do that, I haven't really gotten that good at it. But once you get better at it, it sounds almost like a scratch, like. But what you do with that is like the same concept. You just pronounce the letter T and you just stop abruptly. So it would be like T, 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 T. And that sound you get before, that T, 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 T. Don't breathe any air out. Just like when you're doing the kick drum, like don't breathe any air out. Like inward snare. How you do that? Well, I should teach you the rim shot first. You put your well, if you know how to do the Daffy Duck noise, I don't really know what it's called. Like, you put your tongue in that position, and you just say K. So it should look like up against your gums. Both sides of your tongue should be up against your gums, and it should go. And the inward snare would be the same position for your tongue, and you would say K inward. So trying to think of anything else. Pes snare, exactly how it sounds. It's saying P-E-H. But yeah, I'm like on 11 minutes, so I don't even think this video is going to upload, so I should just stop right here. But thanks for watching, man, or girl, or Facebook. Yeah, I'm awkward. Bye.